Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will discuss about Dynamics 365 Business Central. Dynamics 365 Business Central being a ERP app, cloud application that we use to manage our financials and operational activities in day-to-day life in a business, right? But at first shot, when we configure Business Central, the first important thing we do is setting up a company, right? Because a legal entity in finance and operations we call it, right? So in Business Central, let us see how we can configure a company with its own informations so that it will represent as a business. Okay, so you can see my screen now. In my screen, the Business Central homepage is loaded. This is the role center page, and you know that every security role has its own role dashboard or default page. But right now we'll discuss how to set up a new brand company. To create or set up a new company in Business Central, Dynamics 365 Business Central, you have to click on settings and click on company information. In company information, you can change your information about your company that you are connected with. But to create a new company, you can directly go to my settings, and in the my settings you will find there is a company information. Right now I am connected with Logistical Solutions Private Limited, but I want to create a new company. So what I can do, I can click this lookup, and I can see all the companies are listed here. I can choose my own company by clicking this new and click on create new company. Let us create a new company. I want to start a new company and I want to give a name. Let's say Softchief Technologies. So I'll give Softchief. This is my company name I want to give. Softchief Technologies. Now this will represent my company name. All my transactions, all my financials and cash management, sales, purchasing, everything will be under this legal entity, or you can think of a company name, right? So here you can choose your data setup. Do you want to start with a brand new company with known data so that you can gradually keep adding your own data, or you want to just learn something, learn entire Business Central so that you can use evaluation so that the contour hypothetical company information will be sample data will be loaded so that you can learn it. Or production, you can also create this production setup where data only you can use your data only. Right now I want to just use evaluation so that I can have my sample data to be loaded so that we can learn more, right? Now it will ask you available modules, which modules you want to use. There are many modules in our Business Central, Dynamics Business Central: common, warehouse, fixed assets, HR, foundation, finance, right? So I want every module. So I will click this and click on next. I can select all. If something is missed, if I will unselect this, I can just click on this select all so that all modules will be selected and click next. Now right now you can, because you create a new company, you have to add your users, right? You can manage users before clicking next, or you can ignore this right now in this step and you can proceed. Now if you want to create user, you can directly go to manage user and add new users also from this list, or edit this list from this list. But right now I have already added only one user, so I can choose this user. This is the user who will be using the company, the new company that I am creating for. You can also add more users for your new company you created. Okay, now click on next. Now click the finish button, which will create a new brand company from scratch, and once it is created you can manage its data about your company. For example, what is the address, what is the contact email, what is the information, what is the GST, what is the incorporation number. So all those information, what is the billing address, what is the shipping address, all those information about your company you can set up. But this creating company will take some couple of seconds or sometimes 1 or 2 minutes to gather all information to create a brand new company with sample data, because we have chosen the evaluation one, right? So that in your company that you created, Softchief Technologies, under that company you will get also sample data. Now let us see how it works. Now here you will see it is telling that company Softchief Technologies is created, but we are still setting it up. This might take some time, so take a break before you begin to use it. So when it is ready, the status will be completed and refresh the page. Now you click OK, the status will be in progress. Just click OK, and if you click on this company, right now this is not completed, right? It is in progress. So once it is completed, you can use it. Let us wait for some time and we will refresh the screen so that we will check it. Okay. Now if you check after some time in the My Settings page, in company lookup, you will find the company that you created, Softchief Technologies, is completed. Now you can click on OK. Now if you click OK, the company is selected and click OK. Now the login user is now using the new company data, that is Softchief Technologies. So in Business Central, you see the name is given here, the new company name. So you can create multiple companies or legal entities for your businesses and manage the financial and operational data or transactional data for your company. Okay, so this is the first step that you configure whenever you start working or whenever your business app users are working with your app. Thank you for your time.